So, you're thinking of applying to university? In the next 90 seconds, we'll explain everything you need to know about student finance in the UK. Student Finance England, SFE, offers two key loans: a tuition fee loan to cover your course fees and a maintenance loan to help with living costs. Your tuition fees, currently up to £9,535, are paid directly to your university. You don't need to pay anything up front, and it's not dependent on household income. Your maintenance loan is paid to you each term to cover living costs like rent, food, and travel. The amount you get depends on where you live, where you study, and sometimes your household income. You only start repaying when you're earning over £25,000 per year. You'll pay back 9% of what you earn over that amount, and if your income drops below £25,000, the repayments stop, and after 40 years, any remaining debt is wiped. Bursaries and scholarships are offered to make going to university more manageable. These can be awarded to students who live in low-income households or awarded to students based on academic or extracurricular excellence. These don't need to be repaid, so check what's available. Now you know how student finance works. For full details and to apply, visit the Student Finance England website.